Hey, I got parts here. This was discontinued for now, or not available, so what I did is just got a new gear. So the way to change that gear is there's a roll pin in there. So you use a roll pin punch and a hammer. Punch that roll pin out of there. Take this gear, pop it off there. Grab some paper towel here and just wipe that off for the sake of doing it. Take the new gear. It doesn't matter which way it goes, the teeth end up facing the same way either way. Line her up with that roll pin again. Put this roll pin back in here. Just gonna tap it back in. Get her started like that, and then you beat her in there. Oh, didn't get her started. Okay, I think I'm just going to take it to the bench vise and squeeze it in there. It doesn't want to go in with the hammer, so see if I can let you see what I'm doing there. I'm just going to take that roll pin and get her started in the hole just barely. That's about all I can do. Take her over to the vise. I'm just going to squeeze that into there. Okay, just squeeze it in till it's flush with the gear like that, centered. I don't know if you can see that. I can't get it to focus here. Anyways, you get the idea. Got to be flush with the gear on both sides, centered. Okay, we'll take this back to the garage and I'll show you how to put that back together up in the garage door opener.